This is some big new big historical news. President Abdar Jib is going to do this. He's talking. There will be no talks if they continue to bomb the Syrian people. If they continue to bomb the Syrian people, it's going to be hard to make the talks in Geneva next week. Also said that Russia bombed 3 schools, killing 35 children. You gotta watch where you bomb. You gotta make sure you hit targets that are Islamic State. President Ajib said that 3 schools were hit by Russian bombs, killing 35 children. It's wrong, man. It's wrong. Shouldn't be hitting the opposition. Shouldn't be hitting Bashar's people. Bashar's business. President Bashar Assad is a butcher. It's a murdering butcher. And you're bombing your children on top of it. That's what I mean. Peace talks are going to be almost impossible. Got to stop all the bombing. Let's try and work a peace process. Stop all the bombing for now. This is some big historical moves. This way, Ajib can be that. It's in Geneva. The talks can go. Stop the bombing for now. Won't hurt for a few days. This is some big historical news. Thank you for watching.